Imagine drifting through the ocean in total darkness. No sunlight, no moonlight, no sound except the distant movement of water. Then, below you, something begins to glow. Not a jellyfish. Not plankton. A shark. This is not science fiction. This is not a myth. There are sharks alive today that produce their own light, and they use it to survive, to hunt, and to disappear. In this video we explore the glowing sharks of the deep sea, how they create light, why evolution gave them this ability, and why this silent glow may be one of the most terrifying hunting adaptations in the ocean. What kind of ocean creates a glowing shark? To understand glowing sharks, we must first go where they live. Far below the surface of the ocean, sunlight fades quickly. At around 200 meters, light begins to disappear. By 1,000 meters, darkness becomes permanent. This region is known as the deep sea. Here, pressure can crush steel. Temperatures hover near freezing. Food is scarce. And visibility is nearly zero. Yet life still thrives here, not by strength or speed alone, but through adaptation. In this world, light becomes power, and some sharks learned how to control it. Meet the glowing sharks. Several shark species are known to glow in the dark, and they are very real. The most studied are lantern sharks, members of the family Edmopteridae. They are relatively small, often less than 1 meter long. But what they lack in size, they make up for in biological sophistication. Other glowing species include the kitefin shark and the southern lantern shark. These sharks don't glow randomly. Their bodies are covered in thousands of tiny light-producing organs called photophores. Photophores are embedded in the shark's skin, especially along the underside, the belly, chest, and fins. When viewed in total darkness, the shark doesn't appear solid. It appears unreal, like a shadow made of light. How a shark produces light. Unlike some glowing marine animals that rely on bacteria, glowing sharks produce light themselves. Inside each photophore is a chemical system. When certain molecules interact, light is released, a process known as bioluminescence. The color is almost always blue or green. That's not accidental. Blue light travels the farthest in deep water. It's the most efficient wavelength in darkness. But here's what makes this truly unsettling. The shark can control its glow. Hormones regulate the brightness. The shark can dim it, intensify it, or turn it off entirely. This is not decoration. This is technology, built by evolution. Why glowing makes the shark deadly? In the deep sea, predators don't just look forward. They look up. Any shadow above them means danger. Glowing sharks evolved a technique called counter-illumination. Instead of casting a shadow, the shark glows along its underside, perfectly matching the faint light filtering down from above. To prey below, the shark becomes invisible. There is no outline, no warning, no shadow. The prey never sees the shark approach. By the time contact is made, it's already over. This is one of the most precise camouflage systems known in marine biology. A predator that hides by glowing. More than hunting. What else the glow does? Scientists believe glowing sharks use light for more than just hunting. Some evidence suggests the glow helps with species recognition, allowing sharks to identify others of their own kind in total darkness. Others believe the light may play a role in mating behavior, with unique glow patterns acting as visual signals. There is also the possibility of intimidation. To another deep-sea creature, a glowing predator emerging from darkness may trigger instinctive fear. In the deep ocean, light is rare. Anything that controls it becomes powerful. Why humans rarely see them? Despite being real, glowing sharks are rarely seen by humans. They live far beyond standard diving limits. Most sightings come from deep-sea submersibles and research vehicles. Even today, scientists are still discovering new glowing species. Large portions of the deep ocean remain unexplored. It's possible there are glowing sharks we haven't documented yet, silently moving through darkness, completely unseen. Why this matters? Glowing sharks remind us that the ocean is not fully understood. Some of its most advanced predators don't rely on speed or size, but on precision, chemistry, and light. They're proof that evolution doesn't always create monsters by making them bigger. Sometimes, it makes them invisible. Right now, somewhere beneath the waves, in water deeper than any human can reach, a shark is glowing softly. Invisible. Silent. Perfectly adapted. If you want to understand the ocean beyond the surface, its mysteries, its creatures, and the science behind them, this is Fin and Scale. Subscribe for more sea creatures we explore.